Another file format that can be imported into Business Center is a .fbk file. .fbk is ideally or traditionally comes from, it's an Autodesk Fieldbook file format. So there are collectors that will export out and create a .fbk. Other software vendors will also possibly put out a .fbk. But if you are provided with a .fbk file, you can see the formatting of basically the stationing, station 1, and the azimuth to the backside is 2, and then the forward shots and all the location of the actual foresight shots or the data collection is all listed here in this format. Now Business Center will recognize that, so if I left click and drag and drop in that .fbk file, you'll see that Business Center will process it, and it does create and organize it into a fashion that we can actually recognize. So you can see here's our backside, our azimuth from 1 to 2, our backside bearing information, and then all the shots. So each one of the collected shots that were collected from this particular point.